With this recipe, this is not fancy by any means. This is a I'm hungry and running late for work situation, or I'm just feeling lazy. Both of which I find myself in often. Hey guys, it's Jenny from the Yummy Vegs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making 3 super simple, easy, high protein vegan breakfasts. All 3 of these recipes are like 300 to 400 calories and have over 30 grams of protein, which is dope. And yeah, if you're interested, stay tuned. We will be making overnight protein oats, overnight chia pudding, and a sort of like lazy tofu scramble. Okay, let's get into it. For the overnight protein oats, you just need 3 ingredients. Well, okay, really 2 for like the super basic oats and protein powder. And then you could use water, or I like to, when I'm feeling bougie, use plant-based milk because you get a little extra protein, you know? It's a little creamier, you know? So this is the base of the overnight oats protein powder. I typically make my overnight oats in like a giant Tupperware, and I make like double the amount so I can just like eat half of it, and then I'm like super ready to go the next day. But I'm trying to be all cute and like be, you know, that girl, so I'm gonna make it in this little mason jar, which looks a little dirty. We might get a little messy because the mouth is not as wide as a Tupperware. Okay. So for 1 serving of this overnight oats, you need about 3/4 cups of oats. We only spilled like 1 oat. I do all my dry ingredients first. So now we're gonna add the protein powder. We're gonna do about 1.5 scoops of the protein powder, which is 75 grams. We can do the math. Then I'm gonna add some cinnamon. You don't have to do this, but I think it tastes good. You could also add like cacao in here. And then we're just gonna mix up the dry ingredients. And now I don't think I have enough room for my milk. Great, we'll see. And then we need about 3/4 cup of plant-based milk or water. Yo, is that like good or what? Oh, it's not even straight. Oh, beautiful. Then we're gonna mix this. Make sure there's no dry areas. Looks pretty good. You can just seal this up and put it in the fridge, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some berries to it. All right, we're just gonna seal this up and put it in the fridge, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, as my nephew likes to say, it's morning time. It's so cute. All right, but it is morning. Here are our overnight oats. So you can see they're like pretty thick, and we're gonna try it. Pretty good. What I like to do with my oats, I don't know if this is just me, probably, probably not. I like to add like peanut butter, but this is like, I don't want to say healthy peanut butter, but it's just different nutrients than peanut butter. So for 2 tablespoons of this, you can just mix it with water. You get 7 grams of protein. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We're gonna do that right now. So it tells you on the bag what the mix is. So I have about 1.5 tablespoons of water in here. And we just throw 2 tablespoons of this. And then we just mix it. I probably could add a little bit more water, but this is good enough. Add it to our oats. And then here's our final product. I love this because it's so simple to make, super high in protein, and I mean, what more could you want in a breakfast? For the overnight protein chia pudding, you just need 3 ingredients again. Plant-based milk, protein powder, and then chia seeds. So for one serving, you need 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, or a 1/4 cup. Oh, chia seeds everywhere. I'll clean that up later. Then you just need a scoop of protein. And then, because I have it out, I'm gonna add some cinnamon, but again, you don't need to do this. You could add different flavors of protein powder. You could add cacao, whatever you want. I'm gonna add more cinnamon. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of pea milk. Oh shit, I didn't mix the dry ingredients. Oh well, c'est la vie. Oh, okay, well maybe not. 1.5 cups. Make sure you mix the dry ingredients first. And I was gonna add berries, but there's no room. I'll just add a couple. Oh, this is really lighting. Alright, we're gonna close this up and put it in the fridge, and I'll see you tomorrow. Let's look at our protein chia pudding. Overnight protein chia pudding. Ooh, I should fill that up to the brim. What I like to do with these is add some agave. Actually, let me taste it first. Always taste before you add. Depending on what you added, you might not need agave, but you know, we're just gonna add it. Oh, I missed. Whoopsies. We made a mess. Check, check, check. I mean, everything tastes better with agave, but yeah. So, the chia seeds give you like a little crunch in your mouth. That sounds so weird. Yeah, similar to the overnight oats, this is super simple, super high in protein. And with both of these recipes, you can kind of like tailor them to your taste buds, preferences, and add peanut butter, or nuts, seeds, fruit, or different flavored protein powders, cacao, different spices. So yeah, if you like get sick of this recipe, then you can do a different thing. Oh, my battery's going down. Okay, next we are going to make the world's laziest tofu scramble. And all you really need is a block of tofu and a frying pan. But you know, if you just do that, it's gonna be hella plain. So I'm gonna throw in a couple spices and some nutritional yeast. And then you can just throw it on like some toast. I'm gonna make a little breakfast wrap because that's been like my new favorite thing these days. Okay, I have a block of tofu. It's not drained, it's not pressed. We're just gonna throw that. Oh, that's too hot. Ah! You need a fork. And you just press it in. So here's the, ow, scheisse. With this recipe, this is not fancy by any means. This is a, I'm hungry and running late for work situation, or I'm just feeling lazy. Both of which I find myself in often. We can do a fancy one if you guys want at a later date, but this is like truly bare bones. Do we even call this a scramble situation? I'm gonna let some of the water cook out. I kind of burned stuff in this pan the other day, so whoops. So we're gonna let this cook for a minute. Cook, 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 cook. I do like my normal spices that I throw in. Use as many or as little as you want. We're just gonna let this cook a little bit longer. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my little breakfast wrap ready. I turn it on the oven. This is the breakfast wrap that I'm going to use. Kind of tiny. That's the nutrition, 70 calories, 6 grams of protein. Pause it if you care about the other stuff. Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw this in the oven for a couple minutes while we let our eggs, well, fake eggs, tofu egg, scramble, you know, cook, which I need to stir soon because it's got burned. Oh no. So we're gonna throw some of this on there. I think it adds some flavor and it also adds some good nutrition. Yay! I didn't measure it, whoops. Let's say that's about 4 tablespoons. Garlic, turmeric, I need more turmeric, paprika. Can you guys tell I'm running late for work? This is, yep, this is life. Chili, garlic salt. We're gonna stir. We're gonna add some pepper. These are your eggs. Like, how quick was that? I keep calling them eggs, but I know they're not. You know they're not, right? This is our slightly warmed tortilla. So I normally do like vegan cheese, or today I'm gonna do vegan sour cream. I'm gonna do roughly a tablespoon of that. Yep, I'm using my hands. If this triggers you, this isn't the channel for you. Then I'm gonna throw some veggies on here. Let's see what I have cut up. Oh, not much. Okay, some peppers. Those are reaching the end of their life. Some onions. Man, I need to get to chopping this weekend. And some spinach and baby kale. Then I'm gonna eat half a block of tofu because I'm a monster. You may ask, how am I going to actually fold it up? Because it's quite, what's the word? Overflowing. Abundant with sustenance. Substance? One of those words is right. Just gonna shove it in there. I know you can't see it. You don't need to see it. Okay, so not really like a wrap. Like a burrito? No. Like a really big taco. Recipes in the description below with the nutrition. And I hope you guys enjoy these lazy breakfasts. I gotta eat this really fast, which is not what you're supposed to do, and go to work. Tofu everywhere. If you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments. Hit the little thumbs up button, and you could subscribe for more of this madness. Okay, bye!